Oh my God, I did it again. I am so nuts. Oh my God, what do I do? One time I turned on the water downstairs and I put 2 rugs in the sink and I walked away. The next morning we had 1 inch of water downstairs. I couldn't believe it. Look at this. It's all over here too. I'm scared because there's electrical. Oh my God. I thought the drain would take it away. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. I don't need another in-ground swimming pool. Oh, my husband's gonna freak when he gets home. What do I do? Get the water back out, I guess. Oh my God. What an idiot. You should see the other house. Here I was going to celebrate 1,000 subscribers. Oh, instead I'm going to cry. Oh. And I can't find my flipper, so I'm toothless. Otis took it. What an idiot. What an idiot. Anybody else be an idiot like this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why didn't that drain go? That drain should have worked. Anyway, it's the drain's fault. Oh, damn. This is stupid. Oh my gosh. Help me, Lord. Can't even